In this video, I'll be showing you how you can connect to different locations or different servers on the Thunder VPN. It's simple and easy. So you launch your app like this. What you do next is you tap on the globe logo you see at the top right corner of your screen. Just tap on that, and now you can see we have United States of America, Germany, UK as free. So we have US, we have two, we have US West and US East. These are the free. These are the free locations. The rest of them you need to pay. You need to be on Pro before you can connect to them. So now let's connect to one of these. So let's move to the United Kingdom. I think it has a strong signal. And good, we are connected. You see the VPN section there. And now let's allow. Good. Let's cancel that, and we are good to go. So that's it on how you change locations on the Thunder VPN. To change your location again, just tap on the globe logo. Right, change the location to Germany, and that's it. It has been changed to Germany. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.